This is it. Ooh, I like it because it looks so classy, you know? Yeah, yes.
In this life that I live, I'm perfect in all I do. I'm aligned, yeah, to His word. I am complete in Him. Say, I'm fulfilling, I'm producing.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Nioka, and guys, today I'll be doing a winter try-on haul. All right, so my try-on haul is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna be walking up this beautiful hallway. This is my runway. Anyway, so before I get into the video, just want to say a big thank you to all the people who subscribe to my channel. Always like, always comment, and always share my videos. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscription button and turn on the post notification bell. All right, so let me say this before I start trying on these clothes. So for this winter, we all know that this pandemic is here and Canada is in the second stage of lockdown. So I'm not gonna go anywhere much for this winter. Like, I only go to church and school. That's the only thing I do. So I didn't go out to buy new clothes for this winter because really I don't need it. And second of all, I'm not gonna waste money to just look at these clothes in my closet. All right, so I'm just gonna be trying on some clothes, showing you what I wear. As I said, I only will be going to church and school, or maybe if I have some errands to run, I'll just go out, maybe supermarket, I don't know, something like that. All right, so let me get straight into this video and trying on these outfits for you. All right. Okay, so this is my red long sleeve turtleneck dress. I would normally wear this to church. When I'm inside the church, it's warm, so I just normally take off my winter jacket and I wear it like this. And also guys, this is a must-have: leggings. We always have to wear leggings, especially if we're wearing dress and skirt and stuff like that. Even when I'm wearing my jeans, I wear leggings underneath. It covers all the way to my toes. So all right, it depending on how cold it is, because I have two different jackets that I normally would wear. So if it's very cold and it's snowy and it's awful outside, I will wear this jacket. So this is my winter jacket. If you can see, it goes all the way almost to my knees. So when it's very, very cold, I wear this. So if you see, it has buttons all the way up to my neck. So let me show you. This is for when it's extra cold. This is what I wear. See? And then I have like a hoodie part I could put over here for when it's snowing. So this is what I would wear. Yeah. So if it's not really snowing, if it's not snowing and it's not really that cold, I'll wear my other regular jacket. I'll show you that. So yeah, this is my regular jacket. This is for when it's not too cold, because guys, it can get very cold where my legs, like this part, will get so cold. Even my butt will get so cold. So I have to wear the other jacket that covers everything and it comes all the way to my knee. And these leggings, I normally would wear these leggings. In winter time, I wear a leggings regardless. If I'm wearing jeans, I wear a leggings. If I'm wearing skirt, pants, anything, I wear a leggings underneath. And the leggings cover all the way to my toes. So that's what I like about it. Anyway, so this jacket is just my regular, jacket for when it's not too cold. Yeah, see, it has this part that if I get too cold, I can come up and cover my ears. see, and cover my neck if I'm too cold. So this is it. This is my hot girl jacket. So yeah, this is what I would wear. All right, so on to the next outfit. All right guys, so this is my second outfit. This is what I would normally wear to church, and I'm still wearing my leggings. This is it. Ooh, I like it because it looks so classy, you know? Yeah, yes. And it's the same thing with the winter jackets. I really love this jacket because it's just nice, you know? Sexy jacket. I like it. So it goes good with everything. And when you're buying winter jacket, make sure that you buy a black one or something that can wear it any color, you know? That looks good with everything. So I really like this. This is really my go-to jacket. Unless it gets really, really cold, I wear the other one. But look, this is it. Yeah. And when I get to church, I take this off because in there is warm. So I don't need it, you know? Yeah. And guys, you know, I could take off the hoodie part. Let me show you. For this, I can take it off. There's a zipper. You can just take it off if you want. Because really, you don't need this all the time. Really, you don't need this part all the time. It's only when it's really windy and snowy and you want to protect your ears, then you would wear this. But it's not really needed. You can take it off and just have the jacket only. So this is how it looks. Goes all the way to your neck. Yeah. Go into the next outfit. This is another outfit I really like because this skirt, it's so thick. You see? This is my winter church, one of my winter church skirts. I really like, you know, it looks so nice. Ooh. As I said, leggings with everything. This is it. Try to be sexy, ain't working. Not kid. Yeah. It's like these jackets, they go with anything. Any outfit I decide to wear, these jackets go with them. Forgot about this. Oh my gosh. I love to wear this to church because you know what? It's very thick. As soon as I put it on, I start sweating. If I put it on right now, I start feeling so hot because it's very thick, you see? I love it, and I love the color. I love this part. It's so soft. Look. Nice. All right, so it's easy. All you gotta do is just throw it around you like a scarf, and that's it. And it's very warm. I wear this to church instead of a winter jacket sometimes because if it's not too cold and snowing, because it's so warm. And I just get in the car, come out. So it's not, I would normally wear this if it doesn't require me to walk too much or take the bus. So I just go in the car, get out the car, go in the car, get out the car. So this is good enough for that, you know? So yeah, and it's nice. People always say, can you wear ripped jeans still in winter? Of course, I do. All you have to do is make sure your leggings is underneath. That's it. And you're good to go. And also make sure that it's not too cold that day. All right, so see, this is it. I love these type of blouse. Long sleeve with turtleneck. I really love them because it's so like simple. You can wear them anywhere. And for my shoe, so this is my boot. I wear it especially when it's snowy, like it's very snowy. because it keeps my feet warm. If you look, and it has zip at the side, so it's easy to put on and take off. So if you look inside, it has fur inside. Yeah, so it keeps my feet warm, and it's nice, and it looks good too, you know. Yeah. And the best thing about this shoe is that you can wear it with anything, because in winter time I normally just wear this boot with anything. I wear this boot because it's very comfortable, and as I said, it fits with anything that you wear. All right, you can wear this one. Guys, this is my favorite jacket already. Yeah. All right, guys, so this is my next outfit. I'm wearing just a regular plain jeans and another one of my favorite blouse. I like it when it has a turtleneck and the long sleeve. And this shoe, it's so cute, you know, and it's still warm inside because it has some fur inside. This is just my shoes when I feel cute and I just want to, maybe if I'm going out or something, or I don't know, just want to look different, I would wear this. But as I said, my other winter shoe, the black one, that's the one I wear all the time. I'm not really a fashionista type of girl. I'm just a simple girl, you know. I am the jeans and t-shirt, or the jeans and blouse long sleeve girl. That's it. Only time I dress up is when I'm going to church. You always have to remember your jacket. All right, guys, so this outfit would be like something that I would wear to school, you know, real simple, long sleeve with turtleneck. But this turtleneck is a bit bigger, you know, you can fold it a couple of times. It's big, like, look. You can even wear this as your mask. This could be my mask, you know. Anyway, so I could fold it one time or two times, any amount of time I want, based on how I feel, how cold it is outside. And what I like about this sweater is that it has this part. I can wear it as a glove, you know. So I just take it off, roll it up, and wear it like this. This is for when it's very cold, and I put it in my winter jacket like, whoo. So you see, and then if it's not too cold or I don't need it, I just fold it right back. You see, it's cute. Sometimes it gets really cold, I have to be like, yeah. So I really like it, and it's like a crop top type of thing, you see, but it's still nice, you know. You just wear it with a regular jeans and boom, you're ready. As I said, guys, never forget your leggings. And this is it. And I would just wear my boots and my winter jacket, and yeah. So guys, with this outfit, I love to wear a scarf with it because it doesn't have a turtleneck or anything, so I would just wear a scarf. So what I like with this scarf is that I have two different sides, so I can wear it on the brown side like this, and it's very thick scarf and very comfortable and warm. So yeah, I wear it on this side, or I wear it on this along with my winter jacket. Like guys, in winter you never go anywhere without your winter jacket. Like winter jacket is a must. So every outfit that I put on, I wear my winter jacket with it. So this side, or sometimes I wear it like this to show both sides, like, you know, bam. Or if it's very cold and I happen to be wearing, oh, my earring. If it's very cold and I happen to be wearing this shirt, which I don't think I would, but I'll just put the scarf like this. Anytime I wear a shirt without turtleneck, I would normally wear my scarf like this around my neck, or maybe a little bit looser like this. Yeah, like this. And then I have my winter jacket, and then I put this on like this. Yeah, and then I would zip it up. Guys, I'm telling you, it gets cold out there. So I would zip it up. So I would zip it all the way up like this. And I'm good to go, warm. Or this one. Yeah, this is it. Warm and nice. So along with the gloves, I always put these gloves in my bag. Along with the beanie, I bought this beanie because, guys, sometimes it's cold and your ear, like right here on the top of your ears, always start freezing. So it freezes till it's so cold till it start feel like it's burning. So what I do, I bought this extra big one because I like to wear braids. So the other ones might be too small for the braid. So for this one, I just put it over like this. Nice. Ooh, my earring. Let me take it out. Guys, I'm so hot right now. I can't even take off my earring with this glove on. Okay, let me take out the earring. So yeah, with the beanie, I would just cover my head like this. And it's nice and warm because it covers my ears, covers my forehead, you know. Yeah. And what I like about this is, ooh, it has this nice fur on top. And I have another beanie like this pink one. So cute. Yeah, because sometimes you need to cover your head, you know. Yeah, to cover your head and your ears, especially when it's snowing and it's windy. So yeah, this is it. All right, guys, so there goes my winter try-on haul. Guys, to be honest, that was the hardest video I've ever recorded. I hope you guys like this video, guys. I've been through a lot to record this video, like going down, trying on. I have a lot more clothes that I pick out to put on, but when I have to change and put on and take off, guys, no. I had to just say, you know what, another time. The thing with winter for me is that fashion is not really my thing in winter time, because at the end of the day, you still have to put on your winter jacket. So even if you have on the hottest clothes in the whole wide world, no one is gonna see it, because then you have this big jacket, you're gonna put it on and it's gonna cover all that you're wearing. So for me personally, fashion is not really my thing in winter, like, but in summer, hot girl. Yeah, but that's basically what I wear. I'm just a regular person. I'm not really into fashion or stuff like that. If you give me a long sleeve shirt with a turtleneck and a jeans and a boot, that's it for me. And a winter jacket, that's it for me in winter. I don't go all out to wear this and that and that and that. That's just me. Most of my clothes are jeans and long sleeve. That's what I wear. And guys, you know I like to tie my head already. Yeah. A lot of people say, when they meet me on the street, they always say, where in Nigeria are you from? Or which part of Nigeria are you from? Or where did you born in Nigeria? Or are you Nigerian? Are you blah, 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 blah? Guys, you tell me, do I look Nigerian? You tell me, comment down below. People always tell me that I look like a Nigerian girl, but I don't know, I'm Jamaican. I'm Jamaican. Maybe because I always tie my head. I don't know. But people always say that. which is not too bad though, because the Nigerian girl, them sexy. Anyway guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.